Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can use CarsEnth customizer to customize and create your own unique Volvo canvas art. You can customize vehicle color, you can choose different wheels, you can choose different options, and you can choose different background colors. So let's get started on our CarsEnth homepage. By the way, CarsEnth stands for car enthusiasts. And we will start by selecting our car. So first you have to select your make. Right now we have just started out and we have currently 14 Volvo models available. So these are the Volvo models that we have available right now. For this presentation I will select the first one. This is the second generation Volvo V70R. So as you can see, we already have some canvas customization examples here. You can also see different canvas sizes that we have right here. But if you are not sure about your canvas size, you don't have to worry about it right now. You can still change this later in the process. So we will stick with 18 by 20 inches canvas for now. And we will start customizing this Volvo V70R. So to start customizing, you just want to press here, start customizing, and our customizer will open right up. So first you have to select the vehicle color. As you can see, we have several popular colors already predefined and are available for you. But if you have a different color, you can click on custom color, which will bring up the pop-up window, and right here you can specify the custom color name, and you can also upload an image so that we see the color of your vehicle. So let's say this is saffron orange. You just click on save custom color and this color is now saved. So we will proceed to the next step. Right here you can select your wheels. As you can see, we have some popular wheels already available. Again, if you have different wheels, you can choose custom wheels options. You can specify wheel name and size. You can upload a photo, but for this presentation we will stick with 18-inch Pegasus wheels. On this third step, you can select different options. So for example, you can select lowered suspension, you can add a front lip to your car, you can choose between different interior colors. So let's go ahead with Atacama for example. You can choose tinted windows, and you can also choose between pre-facelift, black plastic trim, or colored plastic trim. You can add roof rails, you can add sunroof or even open sunroof. You can remove rear spoiler, you can add mud flaps, remove headlight wipers, and you can also add custom license plate text, which you will specify in the last step. I will show you that also. So let's continue to the background section. And right here you can choose the background of your canvas art. So first two backgrounds are already predefined. This is studio background and studio background with our badge. And then we have another two options where you can actually choose the color. Right here we have flash green example, but you can click on it. You can specify any color that you want. So for example, let's say that you want black background. You can just specify I want black background, or you can put in the hex code even. So let's say this is the hex code for black. You can give us the hex code, or you can just upload image sample of the color. In this case we have actually two colors. You can choose upper and bottom color. So it's meant to be the exterior vehicle color at the top and the leather color at the bottom. In this case we have flash green Atacama. You can specify this here or upload an image sample, but we will go with our studio background. So let's continue. And as you can see in this step, we have the whole configuration summary. Everything that you have selected before, you have all options listed right here. And you can give us additional notes. So for example, we have selected the option with license plate, custom text, and you can put in the custom text. You can also let us know which kind of license plate colors you want. You can upload the reference vehicle image. This image will help us with customizing your graphic and matching it to the actual vehicle. And then what you want to do is click request a preview and save your configuration. Right here, just put in your name, and right here you want to put in your email. This is the email on which you will receive your configuration. So let's click save configuration, and right now you are on the last step. As you can see, your configuration is now saved. Now we will go ahead and turn your configuration into finalized graphic ready to print. But because each configuration is unique, we are going to do this manually and create a graphic that will match your configuration. To do so, you have to deposit $9.99 just to make sure that you are serious about ordering the canvas print with this configuration. And once we will have your graphic done, we will email you the finalized graphic for your approval before it goes into print. And you don't have to worry. As you can see, your deposit is 100% refundable. You have unlimited free revisions, and if you don't absolutely love our work, you don't have to buy the canvas and we will give you a refund. So let's click deposit $9.99 and put our artists to work. This brings you to the checkout page. As you can see, you are paying a deposit for personalized Volvo V70R Phase 2 canvas. If you have a discount code, for example, right now I have black canvas discount code for this Black Friday, you can go ahead and put the discount code in here. And also later, when you will be paying for the whole canvas, you will get the same discount percentage. So for now, you just have to pay the deposit. Once the customized graphic is done and it's confirmed by you, it's ready for print, we will send you a link where you will be able to choose your canvas size. Your final decision is made here, and pay for the rest of the canvas, and the same discount will be applied, and then the canvas will go into print and will get shipped to you. So I hope that you like our customizing process. This is the first version of our CarsEnth customizer application. So we would really appreciate your feedback. Let us know what you think about the whole customization process. Do you think it's easy for use, or do you find it complicated? If there is anything that you don't understand, please let us know so that we can improve our CarsEnth customizer based on your feedback. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I look forward to seeing your configuration. For now, we only have Volvos available, as you can see here, but we are planning to add more makes and models really soon. So if you want to see your car inside our customizer, go to our webpage and click on Can't Find Your Car. Let us know, fill out this form and let us know what kind of car would you like us to add. The more votes that a car gets, the sooner will be available inside our car configurator.